Hi everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can use integrations and extend the capabilities of the web application that you have just now built. So like I've always mentioned, right, no code application that you build is going to live in isolation. You need to increase its capabilities. You would like to integrate with third-party solutions so that you provide better user experience and also handle some of your business needs. So if you're running a business, there is invariably going to be users who would like to reach out to you instantly. And if you're not going to offer them just-in-time support, you might lose that customer forever. And one good way of offering them just-in-time support is the in-app chat that you see at the bottom here. So if someone visits your website, they are looking at the FAQs, they have more questions, they want to quickly reach out to you, they can just chat and reach out to you. Or maybe they are using your application inside and they have some issue or bug or support that they need, and this is the easiest way to get support. Now, how did I actually do this? So Softr, if you're using Softr provides integrations. So if you go to settings, log into Softr, go to settings and go to integrations, there Softr provides the different applications that they provide integrations with out of the box. So under that, Crisp is one of the applications for which they provide support. Now, all you have to do is click create an account in Crisp first. So what is Crisp? It's a in-app chat solution. And the best thing about Crisp, and the reason I'm recommending Crisp, is because it's free forever for 2 people to use. So you and your colleague can get access to Crisp and set it up and start chatting with your customers. Obviously, they provide more features and functionalities in their paid plans and also more users for you to act as support desk. But if you're a solopreneur like me, then it makes sense to go with the free plan. And once you sign up and create an account, and when you click this Crisp link here from Softr, it will take you to the website settings. So here you will have this option of add a new website, and this is where you can add a website. So we are adding the support for our marketplace. So I'm going to say marketplace. And what is the website domain? The website domain for us is this. So I'm going to go ahead and place the website domain and click create website. So now once you do that, it is going to be integrated, and here you need to do some setups. So go to setup instructions, and there you'll have the website ID. So just copy this website ID, go back to your Softr account, go to settings, go to integrations, go to Crisp, and paste this website ID and hit save. And just like that, your Crisp is integrated. This green button shows that it is integrated, and you need to do a few more things in order to completely integrate with Crisp. So if instead, because Softr provides inbuilt integration, you are able to copy and paste the website ID. Let's say you're using a completely different application to build. Instead of Softr, maybe you used Webflow, or maybe you used Tailor, or you used any different kinds of no-code solution. In that case, click the chat setup instructions. If you want to embed it as part of Android, you have to use this code. If you're going to use iOS, you'll have to use this code. If you want to include it in HTML, then this is what you'll do. You will go ahead and copy this code and paste it in the HTML head section. So I'll show you how you can do that as well. Let's say your website doesn't provide this inbuilt integration. In that case, you will use something called, go to settings, custom code. So it is very, very, very important that your no-code solution that you choose has an option to add custom code, because no tool lives in isolation, and custom codes are how you can extend the capabilities of your website. And how you can use custom code is there's going to be a code for inside the header, and there's going to be a code for inside the footer. And if you want to integrate it, click setup instruction, chat setup instruction, hit select HTML, All you need to do is copy the code as is, Control C, and you can add it in the HTML head section. So go back to Softr, and this is the HTML head section, and paste it here and hit save, and that's it. Integration using custom code is as simple as that. So even if there is no integration, out of the box integration provided, you can integrate it yourself through the custom code way. So what that does is it is a JavaScript that runs on your page load, and Crisp will get set up. Okay, and then you can set up how you want your customers to view you. So who's the owner? If you are the one who created the application, you give the owner. You can set it up as online or set it up as an empty last active. You can also configure how your chat box should look like. Do you want your face? Do you want to show activity metrics? If you want to provide the option for users to play when you're checking stuff out, and so on. How do you want the chat box to look like? What is the coloring of the chat box, and so on. You can configure the look and feel. You can also set up your contact details so that users can reach out to you and click through the settings themselves. If you have going to the page section, this is where you'll manage your billing, and you can also route the message to different operators. If someone's not answering, you can route it to someone else. And you can also set up a custom email domain so that you'll have your own email coming from there. So there are a lot of things that you can actually go ahead and do, and the danger zone is where you will remove your website by clicking remove. So now we have set up Softr. Let's publish it, and let's open our website once more and see the chat box is now popping open here, and we have messages coming up here. And when someone says, hey, can you help me with payment, you will get a default message to capture their email so that you can send the chat configuration to them. And here you will get a notification and you will get a message. So all you have to do is select and go to marketplace, and you have a message coming to you. It says, can you help? It says, hey, can you help me please? And you can send a response, right? Or you can set a reminder and so on. So those are all paid plans. But once you hit send, now we'll go back here, and if they're all satisfied, you can mark this conversation as resolved. And you can also get the chat transcript sent to you. And Crisp also provides a mobile application that you can download from Android App Store, and you can start supporting them straight away. So that's how you can extend your website's functionalities using integrations and custom code, and provide additional support like in-app chat support. Thank you for listening, and hope to see you on the next class.